I was gonna call you. Yeah. I need to know how much monthly real estate tax, how much monthly homeowners
Walworth
insurance
County
that
in
come out of that
southeastern
mortgage.
Wisconsin, southeastern Rock
Do we
County
have
in
that?
south central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or 8 miles east of Beloit, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
We good now.
Source, radar indicated.
It passed.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Richmond, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Pale Lake, Potter Lake, Powers Lake, Burlington, Springfield, and Millard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin.
Or, well, hold on, actually. Probably get you.